Alright, this is the 2012 Land Rover Prestige. Range Rover Evoque Prestige. I'm gonna send you the paperwork with all they said was going on with it. But I want to go ahead and make the videos, show you the car. They took that part loose to get up on there because they took some stuff loose. The tires are brand new. Like I said, everything's still clean on this car. I'm gonna show you the outside first, then we're gonna go inside. I said brand new tires. No dents, no dings. Alright, that's what we're working with. And everything's gonna be on the diagnostic sheet. What's going on with it? The interior. It's dirty right there because they've been working on it, so we'll clean that up. It says still, everything's still clean. Seats are still good. And that's the hose we bought. We thought it was a hose at first, so evidently it was not. Oh yeah, it's not working because the battery's not in there. But it's a touch thing that comes open, so. Oh, there it is. Okay, it's working still. Right, there it is. They said we can't crank it up. It had a new battery. (2012) Evoque Prestige.